Hi friends, today I am going to tell you a simple method to fry papads inside this microwave oven. Here there is a simple trick that you have to follow, that is, before going for putting it inside the microwave, you keep this papad for 1 hour inside the refrigerator and you can see the difference in the crispiness of this papad. So let's start. Just put the papad inside this microwave and start microwaving it. Now you can see this, one side is ready. Turn it. Again we'll keep it, we'll microwave it for another 30 seconds. Yes, you can see this is ready, nicely fried, no burning, nothing, get roasted. So that, remember the tip, don't forget to refrigerate it before going to put it in the microwave. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.